Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Healthy doesn't have to be boring, and we've got a delicious one here, which is a cilantro lime chicken recipe. It combines bright and zesty lime flavor with smoky depth and warmth from our seasonings. Say goodbye to boring bland chicken breast and hello to zesty lime bliss. Here's how to make it. Start by taking out your cutting board and cutting 2 limes in half. We'll use these later. Take out fresh cilantro that has been washed and finally chop it up into smaller pieces. We'll want about 1/4 a cup for this recipe. Take out 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, trim the excess fat off of them, and butterfly them in half. Place plastic wrap over the chicken and use a meat tenderizer to flatten the chicken a bit. Take out a large bowl and add your 2 pounds of chicken breasts in it. Squeeze and add the juice from your 2 limes, or about 1/3 a cup of lime juice. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, and add your chopped cilantro. Finally, we'll add our seasonings. The full list of seasonings and measurements are available in the description box down below. Mix everything together until the chicken is fully coated. Let it marinate in the fridge for at least 2 hours, preferably overnight if possible. Once it's done marinating, turn your burner on medium-high heat and place a skillet or grill pan on top of it. Give it a light spray of oil and add your chicken on top of it. Cook your chicken breast on medium-high heat for 5 to 7 minutes per side or until it's fully cooked. Cook your chicken breasts in multiple batches if you don't have enough room to fit all of them on your pan. Once you're done cooking all of them, garnish them with fresh cilantro. And you're ready to serve your cilantro lime chicken. This recipe is flexible and pairs well with rice, veggies, sandwiches, tacos, or burritos. It will last 3 to 4 days in the fridge, so it works great for meal prep as well. If you enjoyed the recipe, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Comment if you have any questions or if you intend to make this recipe. Thank you all for the support, and I hope you look forward to the next video.